trying Wingstop for the first time ever. First, I'm gonna try the honey smoked barbecue. .5 out of 10. Like, that's so good. Okay, next flavor is the Hawaiian. That one's like a 7 out of 10. The original hot, and this one is so orange. This one is a 10 out of 10. I love this one. This one's like what I would get, like a natural, like hot boneless wing, you know? Yeah. And we got the hot honey. I'm so excited for this one. This one's really good. Honestly, this is like a 9.5 out of 10. I really do like this one. Okay, I'm gonna try these cheese fries. They look so good. Those are really good. They're spicy.